Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to my pupils. So today we are going to start our PDPR with the first topic. Let's check, okay, from your textbook. So before we start the lesson, we need to discuss a few questions on page 7. Okay, page 7 can look at here. So first question, how do you usually communicate with your friends? That means bagaimanakah awak selalu berkomunikasi dengan rakan anda? Look at the pictures below. Which of the means of communication do you prefer using? Why? Lihat gambar di bawah. Yang mana satukah bentuk komunikasi yang anda lebih suka gunakan dan mengapa? So for this part, I just want you to answer verbally or orally. Okay, you don't have to write the answers in your textbook. Okay, so we have 4 types of communications. The first one, landline telephone. Second one, mobile phone. Third one, computer and webcam. And lastly, postcard or letter. So all these types of communications are very important, but some of them are no longer used now, like letter and postcard. So we use this type of communications to send emails, make a phone call, video calling, send videos, pictures or MMS. We can also use this form of communication for instant messaging or chatting, and we also can have access to the internet, and lastly we can send text messages or SMS. Okay, next we move on to page 8. So on page 8, part A, 1A, read, discuss. Okay. Number 1, what do you know about social networking site? Maksudnya, apakah yang anda tahu tentang media sosial? Okay. Next one, are you a member of a social networking site? Adakah anda menjadi ahli mana-mana media sosial? For example, Facebook, IG, Twitter, TikTok. Okay, yes or no? And number 3, what do you use it for? Awak gunakan media sosial itu untuk apa? So for these 3 small questions, I want you to write an answer in one paragraph in your exercise book. So for your exercise book, I want you to use a yellow notebook, buku tulis berkulit kuning bersaiz A4 yang kamu boleh beli dari koperasi sekolah. Okay, part A, you need to write the answers in one paragraph. There are 3 short questions. Please answer all. Okay, we move on to part B. Okay, in part B, you can read opinions mentioned or expressed by 4 teenagers, namely Alicia, Adrian, Ryan and Emma. So all of them give their opinions about social networking. Okay, and you need to decide which of them give positive comment about social networking site and who gives negative comment about social networking site. Okay, jadi ada 4 remaja dan nyatakan sama ada mereka memberikan pendapat positif atau negatif tentang media sosial. Okay, and there is one students, okay, who gives both, who has mixed feeling about social media, okay, positive and negative, okay, at one time. Okay, next one. Okay, you really need to answer these things. Okay, part B, part C. Okay, question C. Look at the highlighted words in the text and choose the correct meaning, A or B. Maksudnya, lihat kepada perkataan yang telah ditandakan dengan warna kuning di dalam teks dan pilih sama ada maksudnya ialah A ataupun B. So if you refer to the text, okay, you can see a few words have been highlighted, telah ditandakan dengan huruf kuning di dalam buku teks anda. Jadi kamu kena cari maksudnya, pilih A ataupun B di dalam soalan berkenaan. Drawbacks, is it disadvantage or advantage? Okay, do this in your exercise book. Yang ni kena jawab dalam buku tulis. Okay, lastly, akhir sekali, part D. Read the text A to D again and answer the questions below. Write A, B, C or D. Maksudnya, baca teks A hingga D sekali lagi dan jawab soalan di bawahnya. Who mentions? Siapa yang nyatakan that he or she has been using social networking sites a bit too much? Siapa yang kata dia telah menggunakan media sosial terlalu kerap, terlalu banyak. So you need to decide who is she or he. Okay, A, B, C, D refers to the names of the individual. For example, A, Alicia, B, Adrian, C, Ryan, and D, Emma. Jadi kamu kena tentukan individu manakah yang menyatakan pendapat berkenaan, sama ada A, B, C ataupun D. Okey, jadi jelas. Saya ulang balik latihan yang perlu kamu buat. Okey, page 8, muka surat 8. Okey, part A, jawab soalan 3 soalan itu dalam satu perenggan saja. Kemudian bahagian B, okey, kamu kena tentukan siapa yang berfikiran positif terhadap media sosial, siapa yang berpandangan negatif, dan seorang daripada mereka berempat ni memberikan berpendapat positif dan negatif ada di dalam social networking site. Dan untuk bahagian C, pilih jawapan makna yang betul, okey, kepada perkataan yang diberikan, okey, A ataupun B. Dan akhir sekali untuk bahagian D, pilih siapakah individu yang berpendapat demikian. Semua sekali A, B, C, D adalah dijawab dalam buku tulis. Saya rasa itu saja. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.